I am going to do an activity on the topic combustion. So the materials which we need for this activity are a candle of any size and a matchbox and two paper glasses and one kitchen pincer for the safety from the fire, as we are going to do one experiment related to fire, and some water. First, we will light the candle with a matchbox. And take one paper glass, and with the help of this, we will put it on the candle's flame. So here you can see that it burns. You have observed that at first case we have taken one paper glass and it burns completely and converted into ash. See this. So now we will take another paper glass and put some water in it. See this? I have put some water in it. And now we will repeat the process as we have done in the first time. We will take this safely and we will put on this candle's flame. So see that at the first case the the paper glass has burned completely within less time. So here you can see that it has taken some time and it has not burned completely. It has burned only partially. See this. So in this case we can conclude that water can absorb heat, because see this, as we put some water in it, when under candle's flame, the heat is absorbed by the water. So as we know that the total heat which is produced by the candle's flame is stored inside the water, and when we touch this water, it is very hot due to the heat present inside the water. So friends, thanks for watching. Hope you will be liking the experiment. Thank you.